Watch this video for the hottest and latest story make you know wetin dey happen for world. Na Pidgin Tori Global be this, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for the world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter today gist. One Air India plane wey dey go London Gatwick don crash just seconds after e take off from Ahmedabad, Western India. The flight, AI-171, carry 242 passengers, 169 Indians, 53 Britons, 1 Canadian and 7 Portuguese, according to Air India. Flight tracking site Flight Radar 24 tok say dem receive the last signal from the aircraft when e reach only 625 feet height, na just seconds after takeoff. Videos from the crash area show thick black smoke wey dey rise for sky, and local police confirm say the plane crash enter doctors' quarters. Rescue teams still dey fight fire for the area as report from ground describe the whole scene as terrible and heartbreaking. America don plan make non-essential staff and their family comot from US embassy for Baghdad, Iraq, as tension between Israel and Iran dey rise. Dem no talk wetin exactly trigger the move, but US officials believe say Israel dey prepare to launch operation against Iran, and dem fear say Iran fit strike back, especially for places where US get presence like Iraq. Reports show say na part of wetin make dem advise some Americans make dem comot from the region. US embassy staff movement inside Israel don also get restrictions. Dem fit only waka inside Tel Aviv, Jerusalem and Beersheba, all because of increased regional tension. Talks between US and Iran about nuclear matter don slow down, but US envoy Steve Witkoff still dey plan to meet Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi for Muscat on Sunday. US President Donald Trump also confirmed for Washington DC say Americans don dey advised to leave that area because e fit turn dangerous anytime. E still repeat say US no go allow Iran build nuclear weapon. Trump don dey hope say e fit arrange new deal to stop Iran nuclear program. US President Donald Trump don talk say the trade deal between US and China don ready after 2 days of top-level meeting for London. But the final go-ahead still dey wait for both am and President Xi Jinping. Trump talk for im Truth Social say the US go collect full supply of rare earth minerals and magnets from China, things wey important for things like phones and electric cars. In return, China students fit still dey go American schools. E even add say, we dey collect 55% tariffs, China dey collect 10%. Relationship dey solid. The deal na follow up from recent phone talk between Trump and Xi plus meeting for Geneva. US Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick talk say once both presidents nod yes, dem go begin implement am sharp sharp. China own Vice Commerce Minister Li Shenggang still confirm say both countries don reach agreement in principle to cool down trade fight and follow wetin the two presidents don agree before. All eyes now dey on the two leaders to seal am finally. Billionaire Elon Musk don talk say e dey regret some of the gbasgbos posts when e make about US President Trump last week for im app X. According to am, some of the things wey e post go too far. The two big men don dey drag each other online since Musk blast Trump budget plan, call am disgusting abomination. E even tell Americans make dem pressure their lawmakers to kill the bill, say the tax cuts and defense spending fit cause recession later this year. Trump no waste time reply, say Musk don lose im mind and even threa ten to cut off SpaceX government contracts wey worth $38 billion. Trump still vex say Musk dey disrespect the office of the president. Musk still carry another bomb drop, claim say Trump name dey inside some hidden government files about late Jeffrey Epstein, but White House shut down the matter quick, say no be true. As e be so, Musk don delete many of the posts, including the one where e talk say Trump suppose face impeachment. This one pain Trump well, and he sharply declare say e no get anything to do with Musk again. Before now, Musk be Trump biggest donor for 2024 campaign, and them two dey waka close. But since Musk resigned from Department of Government Efficiency DOGE after just 129 days, that friendship don fall apart. UK Chancellor Rachel Reeves don refuse talk say tax no go increase after new report show say the country economy shrink by 0.3% for April, the worst drop for over 1 year. The wahala come as businesses pay more tax, house bills rise and exports to the US drop. Just one day before, Reeves don announce spending plans wey include more money for NHS and defence, but other sectors go fit tight hand. Experts dey warn say if UK no grow fast, more tax increase fit show face later this year to balance government spending. Reeves tok say the economic figures no sweet at all and she no fit promise say tax no go go up when she bring autumn budget later. Even though April show bad result, the 3-month figure still show small growth of 0.7%. Reeves wan use big projects like new railway lines and nuclear power to grow the economy, but dem go take years. For now, day-to-day spending dey tight and council tax fit go up to fund local services. Opposition parties dey blame the increase for national insurance tax wey start for April, say na wetin dey hold growth back. Plus, UK dey pay more to borrow money now as investors dey doubt if government fit meet all their spending plans. Austria don declare 3 days mourning and observe national minute silence after 10 people, mostly students, die for one school shooting wey happen Tuesday for Graz. The 21-year-old suspect, wey dem say na former student of the Gaz Secondary School, shoot plenty people. E come take im own life inside school toilet. Police find farewell letter and one pipe bomb wey no work for im house, but dem never talk wetin cause the shooting. Among the dead, 6 na girls, 3 na boys, and 1 girl later die for hospital. Reporters say 7 out of the 10 na students, 12 others injure. Tuesday night, thousands of people, mostly young people, gather for Graz main square, hold candlelight vigil. Dem light candle, cry, pray, show support. The whole square full like sea of candle, especially around Archduke Johann Fountain, where dem don turn symbol of mourning now. One woman wey know one of the victims tell reporters say the boy na 17 years old and the son of family wey she sabi well. She say the matter pain reach bone. Austrian Chancellor Christian Stocker called the shooting national tragedy and say Tuesday na dark day for the country. He add say school suppose to be safe space, but this kind attack don scatter that trust. For now, the school go remain closed till further notice. Austria flag dey half-mast for all public buildings. The whole nation dey mourn. South Korea military don stop the loudspeaker wey dem dey use blast North Korea with propaganda message as dem wan try calm tension and rebuild trust between the two countries. This move na one of the first actions of new President Lee Jae-myung wey win election last week. E campaign say e wan repair relationship with North Korea. North Korea don always vex for these loudspeakers. Dem even talk before say dem go blow dem up if South no stop. South Korea stop am for 6 years before dem resume last year, after North start to send dirty balloon across border. The speaker dey play news, tori about democracy and wetin dey happen for South Korea, but under former President Yoon Suk-yeol, wey no dey smile with North, everything scatter. Yoon even declare martial art law last December before they impeach and comot am. Now, Lee don promise peace and better communication with North Korea, but some human rights groups no dey happy. Iran don execute one man wey dem call Mojahed Kourkouri, aka Abbas Kourkouri, 3 years after dem arrest am during the 2022 anti-government protests wey scatter the country. The judiciary say dem sen ten ce Kourkouri to death for armed attack and say e join one rebellion group. Dem even accuse am say na im shoot and kill 7 people for Ize, including 9-year-old Kian Pefalak. But Kian family say na security people kill the boy, no be protesters. Human rights group Amnesty International don shout say dem torture Kourkouri and dem no give am fair trial. Dem say the so-called confessions wey dem show for state TV na by force dem collect am. Since the protest begin after the death of Masa Amini for police hand for 2022, Kourkouri na the 11th person wey Iran don hang because of am. Plenty people die and thousands others enter cell that time as government called the protest riot. Dem arrest Kourkouri for December 2022 during one raid and bullet knack im knee. Amnesty still talk say dem isolate Kourkouri for cell and beat am well. Court sen ten ce am for April 2023 and Supreme Court uphold di judgment dis year. Iran human rights group for Oslo say di supreme leader and im pipo suppose answer for di killing of both Kourkouri and small Kian. Dem still beg international communities make dem no keep quiet again. Rescue team don resume search for school children wey flood carry inside bus for Eastern Cape Town, South Africa. Di children dey go school for Mitata on Tuesday morning when flood carry their school bus as e dey try cross one bridge. Up till now, dem don recover 8 bodies including the driver according to reports, but dem still no sabi how many children dey inside the bus. But 3 students wey survive tok say dem hold tree until rescue come. The bus later land for riverbank empty. The Premier of Eastern Cape, Oscar Mabuyan, visit the scene Wednesday morning. He tok say the matter hard, but he dey impressed with how rescue team dey handle the situation. South Africa dey face serious wahala with bad weather. Heavy rain, snow and strong breeze don kill 14 people, 9 from flood and 5 for accident. About 500,000 houses no get light as of Tuesday, and Eskom dey try bring back power. President Cyril Ramaphosa don send messages of condolence to the families wey lose person. He beg citizens make dem shine eye and cooperate as weather wahala dey increase. And the last one for today, new autopsy don show say Kenya blogger Albert Ojwang no die because he knock him head for cell wall like police claim. Instead, he get heavy beating and neck wahala wey point say na assault kill am. The matter don cause serious vex for Kenya as human rights people dey para make police answer for the thing. Albert na teacher wey still dey post political and social gist for X and Facebook, and dem arrest am after im criticize Inspector General of Police Eliud Lagat. Dem carry am from Homa Bay go Nairobi, over 350 kilometers away, and lock am for Central Police Station on Saturday. Police tok say dem later find am unconscious, say na self-inflicted injury. But 5 pathologists, including State Doctor Bernard Media, check am and tok say the guy suffer head injury, neck compression and plenty body bruises. Dem all agree say no be self-harm kill am. Dr. Media tok say if to say e knock im head by himself, the bleeding for show different pattern and for front, but wetin dem see no match police version. Up till now, police never talk anything about the autopsy report. Rights people dey shout make justice show face. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Guffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.